Should I take mechanical engineering or not? Being part of India's largest student community, we hear this every single day. And let me tell you this straight. If you follow the roadmap that we have built, you'll stop chasing doubts. Rather, opportunities will start chasing you. Welcome back to Student Tribe Roadmap series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mechanical engineering. No fluff, just the facts that you need. Here's how we'll go through it. History, facts and myths, domains you can shine in, 4 years roadmap, portfolio, and what to do after engineering. So stay tuned and watch it until the end. Chapter 1, History, the roots of mechanical. Let's kick things off with something cool. Let's rewind to the invention of the wheel. Probably the single most important invention in human history. That moment, that's where mechanical engineering began. From that wheel to today's Mars rovers, everything we build and move has been mechanical engineering at its core. And while the past is fascinating, what's even more exciting is where this branch is heading into. And now we're going to look into that. Chapter 2, Facts and Myths about Mechanical. Now let's talk real. A lot of you might be thinking, is mechanical really worth it anymore? We get it. The syllabus in many colleges is outdated by decades. And no, your college probably won't teach you what the market really needs today. But here's another truth. CGPA is not your career plan, skills are. That's why we created this roadmap to guide you on what actually matters. So take a deep breath and let's move from outdated systems to future-ready skills. Ready? Chapter 3, Domains you can shine in. Choosing mechanical engineering in college is something special, right? It feels different because, let's be real, it's one of the most versatile and powerful degrees you can choose. But what is mechanical engineering in general? It's simply the study of how things can move and how energy works. Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? But it doesn't look as simple as it is. So where can you actually shine after choosing mechanical? Thermodynamics, automotive and aerospace, mechatronics, robotics and IoT renewable energy and HVAC. Not just this, but mechanical engineering is so broad, and here are some other exciting areas you can pick based on your interests. In thermal engineering, thermodynamics and heat transfer. In HVAC system design engineering, machine design, CAD, CAM, finite element analysis. In manufacturing engineering, manufacturing processes, CNC machining, additive manufacturing. In robotics and automation, control systems, mechatronics and industrial automation. In automotive engineering, vehicle dynamics, engine design and emission control. In aerospace engineering, aerodynamics, propulsion systems and aircraft structure. And here's the bigger twist. Even AI, robotics and automation are creating more jobs for mechanical engineers. But now, I've got to ask you, is your career AI replaceable? Yes, no, don't get confused. Here's the truth. Yes and no. AI is making a big impact, but when it comes to core of mechanical engineering, there's still a lot of hands-on work that AI just can't replace. So yeah, AI is definitely shaping the future, but the human touch is always going to be needed in this field. Chapter 4, 4-year roadmap. Alright guys, we've finally arrived at the most important part of this video, and honestly, one of the most crucial parts of your entire career journey. This is where everything starts to come together. It's going to show you exactly what to focus on in each year and how to make the most of your time in college and set yourself up for success in the real world. So let's put distractions aside, stay focused and dive deep into this roadmap that could change your future. Year 1. Welcome to the world of mechanical engineering. Your first year is all about laying a strong foundation. Focus on mastering engineering, mathematics, calculus and linear algebra, plus physics and chemistry. These subjects will be the backbone of your entire degree. Learn engineering mechanics and basic mechanical engineering concepts very carefully. Don't just study, join workshops and seminars to see how theory works in real life and get inspired. Once your base is solid, it's time to dive deeper into the key mechanical subjects. Year 2. In your second year, you'll get into important topics like thermodynamics, strength of materials, fluid mechanics and manufacturing processes. Start doing mini projects to apply what you learn. This hands-on experience will help you understand concepts better. Get involved with technical clubs and participate in competitions. These activities will sharpen your skills, your brain and build confidence. With core subjects in place, your third year is about specialization and gaining industry exposure. Year 3. Third year is a game changer. You'll study heat transfer, machine design, dynamics of machinery and control systems, subjects that build your mechanical expertise. This is the right time to grab internships and get real-world experience. Work on a major project in your chosen field to showcase your skills. Remember, Practical experience is just as important as theory. In your final year, it's all about polishing your skills and preparing for your career launch. Year 4. Your last year is your moment to shine. Complete a capstone project that highlights everything you have learned so far. Choose advanced electives like CAD/CAM, refrigeration, air conditioning, or finite element analysis to specialize. Attend placement drives, prepare well, and consider higher studies if you want to dive deeper. This year sets the stage for your professional journey. So by now, you've got a solid understanding of how to plan your entire 4-year engineering journey, what to focus on, how to grow year by year, and how to make the most of your time in college. But here's the big question that's probably on your mind. What happens after I graduate? What kind of job can I get? And more importantly, what salary can I expect as a fresher? Don't worry, we've thought about that too. In the next section, we're going to break down exactly what the job market looks like for fresh engineering graduates like you. So stick with us, because knowing this will help you plan better, set realistic goals, and take confident steps towards your dream career. Chapter 5, jobs you can expect when you graduate. So here are some jobs trending for 2029 and 30 with starting salaries to get you motivated. Automation engineer, designing automated systems in industries with 5 to 12 LPA. Renewable energy engineer, working on solar and wind energy solutions for 6 to 15 LPA. Robotics engineer, developing robotic systems for 6 to 14 LPA. HVAC engineer, designing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning starting at 4 to 10 LPA. Automotive design engineer, creating car parts and systems 5 to 11 LPA. Aerospace engineer, working on aircraft and spacecraft 6 to 13 LPA. Industrial engineer, optimizing manufacturing processes 5 to 12 LPA. Now that we've covered your entire engineering journey, from what to focus on in each year and to the job market, mechanical engineering, and the salary you can expect as a fresher, there's one more crucial piece to puzzle. To land the perfect job with your resume in hand, there's something very, very important you need to build. Unfortunately, many students forget this, and it can cost them big time. But don't worry, we're going to dive deep into what that is and how you can create it in the next section. Chapter 6, build your portfolio. Here's something we tell every student. Portfolio, portfolio, portfolio. It's literally the most important thing you can have. Your portfolio speaks for you before you even open your mouth. It shows what you've done, what you're capable of, and your dedication. So don't wait until the last minute to build it. Start now. Yes, GitHub is a great place to showcase your projects, and LinkedIn is perfect for building your professional network and highlighting all your achievements. And if you're wondering how to manage all your profiles in one place, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description below. Chapter 7, what after engineering? Here's the toughest question you'll face. What's next after engineering? Should you get a job? Should you pursue higher studies? If you're feeling a little stuck, don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone goes through this phase, and that's why we are here. We have spent months gathering all the information you'll need, whether you're thinking about going abroad for your master's or finding the perfect job. Whatever path you're considering, we've got the resources to guide you. Just check the link in description, fill out the form, and we'll send everything straight to your WhatsApp or email. Chapter 8, final takeaways. Wow, that was a lot, isn't it? But here's a recap. Mechanical is still powerful. Don't depend on your college. CGPA matters, but skill matters the most. Projects are greater than theory. If this video helped you, show some love. Like, subscribe, share with your mechanical engineering friends, and follow StudentTribe on Instagram for college hacks, career updates, motivation. Until next time, keep building, stay curious, and trust your process. You've got this.